Hi, my name is Joey Accardo. I'm the Technical Manager for SmartROC Surface and Exploration Drilling in the U.S. Today we're going to drain the compressor receiver tank condensate off of a SmartROC T40. To do that, the first step is to loosen and remove the 27mm cap that can be found on the drain. Once that is removed, we can set it aside, take our bucket for waste oil, open the ball valve, which is located behind the fitting, and drain the water and oil. We want to drain it until we see the water stop running and to see the oil. Once that's done, we reinstall the cap and then retighten it. And as always, if you need further assistance, reach out to your SmartROC service center or dealer.